Hi, TR here. This video is about the third assignment in the Module 5 Resource Choices, Financial Wellness, Choosing a Home. Going to the content page, this is what you'll see. As we scroll down, we need you to take a look at the information, find a rental property, go to the rentfaster.ca site or any site that you feel is a pretty good site for finding rental accommodation in our city. Instructions. So we have choosing a home template, and these 7 main components will be found on that template. The template is going to look like this. All right, so we start with your name, please, your monthly income estimated, the rent, which is going to be 30%. So the rent will be the amount that you can afford based on your monthly income. So if your monthly income is $1,000, you can afford a $300 rental or accommodation. The next section is what kind of housing do you want to do? Apartment, townhouse, regular house, where the housing is located, and why you want to choose that type of housing. Roommate. Do you want a roommate or not? Why or why not? The more detail you give me here in the why, in terms of the type of housing and the roommate, why or why not, the better. The more detail I see means that you are engaging and taking a good, strong look at this assignment, whether it's for the assignment's sake or maybe you're just interested in moving out. Next section is the rental property website. Here I'm looking for a picture, must be a picture, the URL, description. Here you can copy and paste. 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages. Notice I say with substantial detail. Again, the more detail you give me, the more personal you make this, the better it is for you, and of course the better mark that you'll receive. We keep scrolling down. Now, once you do 1 or choice 2 here, say you've picked one choice, you're going to give me 4 reasons or 4 factors why you chose that one. Again, the more detail you give, the better. And then finally, think about the costs and benefits of living independently. Explore the advantages and disadvantages of living on your own. The more detail you give, the more you personalize it, the better it'll be for you, and the better mark that you'll get. The more you engage and connect, the better I believe that you've learned what we're trying to teach you in this assignment. Questions or concerns, feel free to use your private discussions. And let's go back to the content page and we talk about the rubric. And this is what the rubric looks like right here. Read the rubric because the rubric is how I mark your assignment. Basic, you give me just a little bit of information, you're looking at a 2. If you give me substantial information and you personalize it, then you're looking at a 4. All right. Now, and the assignment page. Again, stay safe. Enjoy your days. Break is coming soon for you. And stay safe. Thanks and take care. Bye now.